Hey y'all, it's Betsy
and Cameron
from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today is
Kids Crafts with Cameron.
So we have a fun video. We are testing out the
Cricut Infusible markers.
So Nadia took and drew this out for Cameron to color in, and he's colored in most of it for us to make a mouse pad for Jeremy, Cameron's daddy, for his birthday. So go ahead and show them how the markers work. Now remember, the colors always look more vibrant once it's actually been colored in. And some of these markers, just to give you a heads up, have a fine point like this. And some of them have a thicker point like this. And just to remind y'all, while he's coloring that in, we have a birthday sale. Today's my birthday. You know, most special day of the year. Just kidding. But if you make a purchase online from now until July the 20th, and you use the code BIRTHDAY11, you will save 11% off of your purchase. Plus, everybody gets a free gift. Got to share the wealth for my birthday. But it's a surprise gift. It could be a vinyl pack, it could be a shirt, it could be a makeup bag, it could be lots of different things. So it's kind of a gamble since 7-Eleven, you know, luckiest day of the year, at least in my mind. So, remember to check that out. And as you can see, Cameron's coloring that in. Nadia did good. She drew that and then traced it out backwards, because one thing you have to remember when you are working with lettering for the Infusible inks, you have to do it backwards.
Or it's going to turn out backwards on the mouse pad.
And since Daddy does IT work, we figured a mouse pad would be a good gift for him from Cameron for his birthday.
And he likes Legos. And
he loves Legos. That's like what we got him for his birthday. He doesn't watch my videos, so I can talk about it. We got him a Lego City set. It's the Expert. He loves putting those together, and I was like, well, maybe we can start like doing the town so he could keep those, because he's done the Expert Bug and the Expert VW Bus, and he did the
Apollo 5.
lunar launch thing,
shuttle,
something. He did a Statue of Liberty. But yeah, Nadia's the artist in the family. She can actually really draw really, really well. So we let her draw that out. But we didn't want anything that looked too perfect either. We want it to look like a kid's drawing. And this is a fun project that you can do with your kids at home. I mean, you can print out something, color it, and then put it on a shirt.
It'd be cool if they made like an ink stamp that you could get your hand printed.
Well, you probably could do that with the
marker.
Just have to probably color them.
Yeah.
Hand.
You know, kiddo, you're 12 years old. You're not the best colorer. Rate his coloring down below. Leave us in the comments. Tell me I'm a cruddy mom for telling him he can't color.
I can barely write good.
Okay, so put the marker lid on it so it doesn't dry out. Now we're going to bring it over to the heat press. And we trimmed around it so that way we could see to make sure it lined up perfectly with the mouse pad. And we have a piece of paper down here so the ink doesn't transfer. Grab one more piece of paper so we can lay it over the top. Okay, so we're going to cover the top of it. Step on the pedal. Now this mouse pad came from Amazon. They were $12 for a pack of 10. It was either 12 or 13.
Hold on.
So go ahead and push it down. The heat press is heated to 400 degrees. You can move your hands. And we're going to heat this for a minute. So once this reaches 180, because I have it set on 4 minutes because I was doing a test with some tiles earlier, and you have to heat those for 4 minutes. My goodness, that is a long, long time. Now, this does not smell the best, just to kind of give you a heads up. It stinks. It smells like burning rubber, but it works really well. You've got 30 more seconds, kid.
Okay.
I'll tell you when.
Oh.
Now you remember what it looked like though beforehand, how the colors were vibrant, but they weren't the most vibrant. That's one of the cool things about dye sublimation, is that the colors of the inks change so much when they get heated. Okay, so you've got
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
now. Okay. Okay.
It's gonna be.
Whoa.
So
There's a couple.
there is. You want to show it off?
Yeah.
It's hot.
It smells like burning rubber.
Show them what you did.
A lot brighter than I thought it was.
Look how cool that came out.
That's awesome.
So remember, this is something fun you can do with your kids, your grandkids. You can do this in an art class. The sky's the limit with this project. Don't forget to check us out on
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
as well as how often do we post videos?
Every weekday.
Up until Christmas, and once Christmas starts on October 1st, it's 7 days a week. Comment down below and tell us how you thought Kameron did. Other than that, I guess that's it. So we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.